With Elegant Estates. Today we're going to be doing a paver restoration. It is an ICPI installed project, so there shouldn't be any repair work that needs to be done. So I'll show you what we got going on here, so just stick around and we'll get cracking. So this is what we got going on here today. It is a Paver Walkway. It's a Belgard product. It is ICPI certified installation, so it's very nice and flat. It is about 8-9 years old. Original polymeric sand. So obviously we have better options now for polymeric sand. But you can see here, it's a wide joint. The joint's getting very dirty. The surface of the paver is very dirty. You can see there we have some moss and some lichen coming up on it. You have moss in the joints over there, coming all the way right straight down through. Over here in this area we have forget-me-nots that came over from the flower bed. Then around here on this side of the stairs, same kind of a thing. So we'll be cracking on this here pretty soon. We'll take the surface cleaner over it. We'll blast all of that right out of the joints. Not sure if we'll use the vac on this project or not, but if you do have a project that we need to be wary of where the sand goes and all the dirty water, we can certainly vac that up and control where that goes. Here we go, there's the results on the initial cleanup. Got the 2 natural steps here we did with our nozzle. And we came down through the surface cleaner. You can see down close, it brightened the pavers right up. Removed all of the joint sand. There's a little bit of joint sand here and there. You know, you'll see a little bit here and there. We'll want to get that out before we do the new sand. You know, another little bit there. But generally speaking, that's all blown out. All the way right straight down through. Got around the corners here really good. Over on this side, took care of all those little flowers and all that vegetation that came in. And right straight back up. So the process now is we will let that dry out. We'll take a blower over it. We'll get the remaining little pieces of sand here. Let that completely dry out. We'll want that to be completely dry before we do the polymeric sand over it. And what you want to watch out for, and this is why you want to install your pavers to ICPI standards, is because in some of these wide gaps here, you'll notice if you have even a DIY pressure washer or something and you're really trying to get that out, that sand right there, you can actually blow your joint material out, so you have to be careful there. If you install your pavers on the proper setting bed, you'll have less and less of an issue of potentially doing that. So proper methods, proper installation, proper cleaning equipment, and you'll have no problems. All right guys, so here we go. This is our finished project. Again, a Belgard paver. We used a Technoseal polymeric sand. It was a RG Plus, I believe it was, carbon color. So when that dries, that'll be a nice, rich black color. You can see our borders are all brightened up. All of the weeds are out, all the moss is out. Pavers are looking like new. And for a project that is at least 8 or 9 years old, looks about brand new. So if you have some pavers that are looking a little old, a little tired, has moss or weeds growing in the joints, want to have a restoration done, give us a buzz. Again, it's Elegant Estates, and you can always call us at 607-533-3699 or online at elegantestateinc.com. Have a good one.